So today I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide as to how you can vacuum your pool successfully. So first of all, you need your vacuum pole. You need your vacuum hose. This is the vacuum hose, as you can see. So that we attach it to the vacuum. Then we get our skimmer plates as well. So what we're going to do is that we're going to drop the vacuum hose into the pool. Okay. So you drop the vacuum into the pool. Then what you will do is that you will fill the whole thing with water. So I'll use my jet to fill it up. Some people do it while they drop the vacuum into the water. But for us to know that our vacuum hose is completely filled, what I'm going to do is that I'll drop it outside. So if I see water coming out of the vacuum, then I'll know that it's completely filled. So this is the jet. So what I'll do is that I'll attach it here so that the water can fill it up. So you can see water dripping out of the vacuum. So it means that it's completely filled. Okay. We will drop our vacuum into the pool. Then we get our skimmer end. So you have to cover it so that the water doesn't leak out. Okay. Skimmer basket. We can use our skimmer basket, or we can plug it the vacuum plate into the skimmer directly. For us to know it's vacuuming well, we can test it by feeling the suction force at the tip of the vacuum. If the suctioning force is very weak to where our valves are. So this is our skimmer, as you can see. This is our main drain. So you close the main drain. Now you can see that the vacuum testing the vacuuming force again. So now it's vacuuming successfully. So you can see okay, let me turn it here so that you can see it better. Now I'm vacuuming my pool, and I have my vacuum pole, I have my vacuum head, I have my vacuum hose, and the vacuum hose is connected to the skimmer. Okay. Before you can create the suction force to vacuum, you need to locate the skimmer and then the main drain. Okay. So this is the main drain, the valve, and this is the skimmer. So I've closed the main drain and I've opened the skimmer so that we can create the suction force. Vacuuming at filter. I'm vacuuming at filter. So you can see the pool. After vacuum, you realize that the skimmer plate will not easily come out from the skimmer. You don't have to use force to pull. You just go to your valve. You open your main drain to reduce the tension over there. Thank you very much.